Hello students of class 10. Student, today we will learn the new unit 5, email messaging intermediate. In this unit, children, we will understand the first session 1, working with calendar. So children, in this session we will learn all the features of calendar in MS Outlook, which provides the user an electronic version of a calendar. So this helps to edit and organize your tasks quickly and efficiently within a given time period. By using the calendar, we can create appointments and events, organize meetings, add email address to the address book, create group of contact list, view group schedules, and much more. So children, as we will learn about how to make and how to create appointments and events in the calendar, and we can activate the reminder for our appointment. The children, we find these all procedure as a employee or for the as a working person do these thing in the computer for reminder for appointments and meetings. The children, we learn how to make, how to create the appointments and meetings in MS Outlook. So let's have a look of this video by practically, in which we can understand about how to create the calendars and how to can create the meetings appointments in this session. So let's have a look of this practical view. Children, we will managing the calendar in MS Outlook 2010. The children, for as you can see here, the calendar look how to start the as a MS Outlook here. The as a first of all, we can see here the start button, all program, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Outlook. So we can here see the calendar. Click on the calendar. We can see the day wise, work week wise, month wise, and the schedule wise, by which we can go back and forward to see the months wise. So now children, to create here the work week wise, as you can see here, these are such a selected as a dates, as a day also you can go through the day and dates. You can see here the some as a date, particular date, or as a some important date. So now today, if you want to create a meeting appointment, to click on the today, and here click on the as a now time for your meeting or new appointment. Right click on this and select the new appointment. Now right here the subject as a staff meeting you can write here, and location you can give any location, conference room, or any as a place you can give here. For as a time you can set the time, and a reminder you can change the reminder 15 minutes or 30 or 1 hour. As a you can give here the as a reminder. For reoccurrence means it will happen weekly or daily or monthly. So you can select the weekly on every Wednesday. So you can select that Wednesday or Tuesday, which day you set the meeting for every day, every week here. And now categories you can select for the email as a sales team. You can select and save your as appointment. So we can do this by monthly also, selecting the months, and as you can see, as I have applied here, so how can we do this as a monthly? So you can see children, as a the calendar is showing here the staff meeting, lunchtime, different as a for the events, as I have applied here. The children, for the applying on the Thursday, as starting to Thursday to as a Monday, on that week, starting from that week, you can select here all day event from the Thursday to Monday, which day as a Monday, after that the Thursday. So now here you can give the subject out of the subject out of the office here and save your as a events. So this way we can see here from as a Thursday to Monday, and the topic as a subject is a given out of the office here. So this way children we can find here as a for creating and events and creating as a separate as a calendar also. To click on the folder option, click on the new calendar, select that folder where we want to create our the calendar. Now give the client meetings calendar. So this way we can make our own calendar. Select the calendar type, click on the OK option, means that is a folder, calendar folder, and select here as a calendar meeting. The calendar client meeting calendar will be as a different. If you want to keep only one calendar as a the uncheck that calendar, and you can as a display your own calendar. So this way we want to customize our calendar according to our convenience and according to our as a needs. So we can do here some changes by going to the options. So for this we can click on the file menu. As you can see on the screen, this video will tell you about how to customize the calendar one by one step, and this is a very important for our applying the meeting or as a setting the meeting or events with the calendar. It is very helpful in doing these all things as a for setting to your own calendar. So let's have a look of this video for customizing the Outlook calendar. Children, for as a setting here, click on the file menu, click on here the options, and in this option we find here the calendar options. For changing the work hours we can go through here the calendar option. As you click on the calendar option, we find here such as a start time, means what is your work hours start time. You can change from this drop down button, as you can change from 7 am as a starting from your day's work, and you can select here as a 4:30 p.m. and after that as a work week you can select according to your country wise here, and according to your as a day office wise where from where you are working. You as a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday would be off here, so you can as a uncheck. And if you want to set as a starting here the as a reminder default as a 15 minutes, but you can change with the 30 or 1 hour as I showed you earlier. And here you can check or uncheck allows the attendees to propose the new times of our meeting, or you can accept for the response when proposing the new meeting. And you can change here the holidays the according to the country wise, as the United States the calendar according to the or the your country wise calendar. You can select the country that will be as a here for the free or busy options you can select, and you can select that the as a ultimate calendar, means Japanese plus I mean with the lunar steps here. And here you can show the bell icon on the calendar for the appointment and meetings with the reminder. You can show that option. Now next children we can see related to the display option. If you want to change the color, to click on this default calendar color and select your own color which you want to apply on your own calendar. Now next, as a font size, font color, as a size also you can as a change with this option here. Just so here as a according to your as a needs here. Now after that you want to as a set the label zones, time zones here. Time zone you can select according to your the country wise, as a select the time zone, and here the label you can give as your country or your need. So this way children we can set or we can change the calendar option by customizing here. As I told you, how can we change your as a calendar options, means that is called the customizing. The as first of all, click the calendar as an option, as I told you here. Okay, first of all, click on the file tab, click on the options from the navigation bar on the left, and the option box, dialog box will be appeared on the screen, and from there you will click on the calendar option, and this will give you the other dialog box, calendar option dialog box. From here you can set the time as a from 8 to 17, as a 8 to change to the as a 9 as a starting of your day work. You can change, then after you can select the end of the days, and you can set the calendar zone, here the time zone, and the country as a wise you can select, and you can set the lunar as a for giving the calendar, as these are the such a advanced options given in this as customizations of the calendar. So I hope children you will do this also in your computer. That will be a good things, good for teaching, good for study also here. So thank you for watching this video.